said that I'm here to introduce you. Now, how am I going to introduce you? What am I going to do to introduce you? Probably that's not a requirement. But the fact of the matter is that this is what we are, thanks to you. This is Piaggio's strength. $365 dealers, the largest dealer network in the three-wheeler industry in India. Total reach, all thanks to you. This is the Indian operations, domestic operations, 821 authorized touch points. Now let me also over here welcome some of our dealerships, in all 65 in number, who have started their operations in the year 2017. May I have the hands of those dealers up, please? Welcome on board, gentlemen. Welcome on board, ladies and gentlemen. 9,883 vehicles through you. A fairly large contribution, so far the largest in the history of Piaggio. What is this Network Next? My colleague Saju spoke about us moving collectively in a different direction. So far, we used to have our dealerships appointed based on targets that they would take. Does it mean you would not be taking targets? I'll be short if I said so. Especially from here. You will definitely be taking targets. But the network scenario now changes to the potential of the market. The way we are now going to have our network is going to be based on the potential of the market. We will have platinum, gold, and silver dealers. And you will be recognized as such. The differentiation will clearly be there. What is Concept Next? And why is Concept Next? Okay, let me take you through Concept Next. Dealership infrastructure on market potential, not only dealership target. From a single point to multiple points, bringing us closer to the customer. We do not want you to spend enormous amount of money on making infrastructure. We no longer are asking you to make Taj Mahals. We are saying we are going to lower your infrastructure costs, but we would clearly want smaller, elegant looking showrooms and compact, productive workshops. My colleague Saju spoke about the importance of service and what customers think about us. So it is important that we move in that direction. Diverting your infrastructure money into your business and our business to enhance your profits. That is what, gentlemen, is Network Next. Now, the categorization of dealerships. The platinum dealer. What is going to be a platinum dealer? An annual market size of 2,400 numbers is the market potential of the place. Triple S dealership with various authorized points. The gold dealership is a market size of 840 to 2,399 numbers with the requisite number of authorized, small authorized elegant centers. And the silver dealership is a market annual potential of up to 839 numbers with the requisite authorized center. Okay, moving ahead. What are our channel initiatives in the year 2018? New signage. You will see it right now in some time. I was talking to some of my friends here in the dealer fraternity, and they were saying, "Haji, branding आपको करनी चाहिए. बाकी हम करेंगे, इन्वेस्टमेंट हम करेंगे, ब्रांडिंग तो आप कीजिए." तो अभी आपको ब्रांडिंग दिखाएंगे और वो भी हम करेंगे. Fresh and high-tech feel. You're a very large, effective community. But what has happened is, with some feedback coming in sometimes, people feel that we need to really move ahead. So fresh and high-tech feel. Introduction of a structured national annual reward and recognition program. My colleague Saju mentioned about that. This is going to be transparent. This is going to be clear. This is going to be differentiated. It will be structured for your benefit. Incidentally, both of us have officially announced it. So please ensure that it will clearly happen. Your rewards and recognition will come through in a differentiated manner. Measurement mechanism. यहां पे भी मैं आपको बताता हूं. कुछ देर पहले मेरे कुछ दोस्त डीलर कम्युनिटी में हैं जिन्होंने कहा था कि जी आप वो डीबीएचआई तो करा लेते हैं, उनका फायदा क्या होता है? फायदा होता है. फायदा कैसे होगा और फायदा क्यों होगा, हम ये दो चीजें लिंक करेंगे. डीबीएचआई एसक्यूआई आपके आरएनआर के साथ लिंक करेंगे, ताकि अगर आप अच्छा काम करते हैं, अगर आपके रिजल्ट्स अच्छे हैं, अगर आपकी सिस्टम्स अच्छे हैं, obviously it will show up in the reward and recognition program, which will be transparently done throughout from now onwards. There is one other thing which we are introducing. We are introducing, along with the DBHI, a dealer satisfaction index. Your satisfaction is important to us. It is not going to be a one-way street. We will be asking you, are you satisfied with what Piaggio is doing? It works both ways. That's the only way things work.